Hi, and welcome to Section 4, Spring Data. In this section, we're going to learn how to work with Spring Data and set up the required dependencies, which database solutions are supported by Spring Data. We're going to learn how to create a data model for Spring Data. We're going to learn how to set up a Spring Data repository using H2 in-memory database. And we're going to learn how to create, read, update, and delete data from the database. Introduction to Spring Data. In this video, we're going to learn what Spring Data is and which features it provides. We're going to learn which database solutions are supported by Spring Data. And we're also going to learn what H2 database is, which is the main database solution we are going to use across this tutorial. But let's first have a look at Spring Data. Basically, Spring Data is means of simplifying database implementation for the developer. And this is achieved by providing an abstract, interchangeable, and consistent way for data access, which basically means that the implementation code of your database is not exposed to the outside code making use of it. So no exposure of underlying database operations takes place. In addition to that, Spring Data supports many different submodules for specific database solution support. And those submodules can be added to your project as we've done already via dependencies. Some of the supported databases which are included in Spring Data are JDBC, JPA, which is the Java Persistence API. Then there is MongoDB, which is a very popular NoSQL database solution, and Couchbase, of course, and many more, which are not listed here. In case you're interested in all the different kind of database solutions that Spring Data supports, you can go to the Spring Data website and look up all the supported solutions. Let's learn a little bit more about H2 database. So H2 is a database management system specifically designed for Java-based applications. It is fully supported in Spring Boot. And what's important to know about H2 is that the default configuration in Spring Boot for H2 is in-memory storage. And this means that data is not stored in a database file, but rather data is just held in memory, which means that the database data is actually lost when the application is restarted. We're going to go with this solution in the tutorial video because it is the easiest and fastest to implement. In case you want to go for file-based storage, then of course this can be easily changed via configuration files.